Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So here we have one interesting question. Limit x tends to 1 upon root 2 x minus cos sin inverse x minus cos sin inverse x upon 1 minus 10 sin inverse x. Here interesting part of this question is if we apply limit directly. If I put x equal to 1 upon root 2, then we get 1 upon root 2 here, right? 1 upon root 2 minus sin inverse 1 upon root 2, which is nothing but pi by 4, right? So cos pi by 4 is nothing but 1 by root 2 upon 1 minus 10 sin inverse upon 1 upon root 2, right? 1 upon root 2 is nothing but pi by 4, 10 pi by 4 is nothing but 1. So this is 0 by 0 form, right? So बच्चों हमें यहाँ पर 0 by 0 फॉर्म मिल रहा है. Yes or no? So we have two options. We have two options. First one, go for L'Hopital rule, but थोड़ा एक्सटेंडेड हो जाएगा, ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, ज़्यादा डिफ्रेंशिएट करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि हमारे पास साइन इनवर्स एक्स का टर्म है. बट व्हाट इफ वी टेक साइन इनवर्स x equal to sin inverse x equal to t, then definitely x equal to sin t. Yes or no? x equal to sin t. चलो तो ये तो हो गया sin inverse x equal to then x equal to sin t. But what about limit when x tends to 1 by root 2? Then what about to t tends to sin inverse root x, right? So हम ऐसा बोल सकते हैं t tends to sin inverse not root x बच्चों, this is x, sin inverse x. t tends to sin inverse x and x is nothing but 1 upon root 2. So sin inverse 1 upon root 2 is nothing but pi by 4. So t tends to pi by 4, right? चलो, so is that clear? So now limit हमारी हो गई है, लिमिट t tends to pi by 4, right? replace x by sin t and t by sin inverse sin inverse x by t. चलिए, so x is nothing but sin t, sin inverse x, here sin inverse x is t, so sin t minus cos t upon 1 minus tan t. Is that clear? Now we can convert this tan t into sin upon cos. चलो, so tan t is nothing but sin upon cos. So now limit t tends to pi by 4 sin t minus cos t, as it is tan t is nothing but sin upon cos, sin t upon cos t. चले, now cos t यहाँ पर ले लेंगे LCM. So we get limit t tends to pi by 4. So here sin t minus cos t, as it is here cos t minus sin t as it is, and this cos, which one? This cos कहाँ चला जाएगा? न्यूमरेटर में, right? चलो, as you can observe here, this is sin t minus cos t, this is cos t minus sin t, right? तो यहाँ पर मिल क्या रहा है हमें बच्चों? अगर मैं यहाँ से माइनस कॉमन ले लूँ तो व्हाट वी गेट? sin t माइनस cos t. सो अगर हम इसे डिवाइड करेंगे इससे तो व्हाट वी गेट? -1. अभी अगर हमने लिमिट अप्लाई कर दी पाई बाई 4, तो -1 इंटू कॉस पाई बाई 4. So cos pi by 4 is nothing but 1 upon root 2. So our final answer of this question is nothing but -1 upon root 2. So here it is. So yes, this limit is nothing but 1, not minus 1 upon root 2. Thank you so much.